can you do, Eren PLS? And I like all of you draw and Happy New Year's.
Today I just read a story. I want to tell it so you can listen again, okay? The story of the apple. An adorable baby holds two apples in his hand. Her mother entered the room and smiled, and asked her little daughter, "Honey, can you choose me an apple?" The baby looked up at his mother for a few seconds, then looked down at each apple in his hands. Suddenly, I ate a piece of apple in my left hand. Then another piece of apple in my left hand. The smile on the mother's face became calm. She tried not to show her disappointment. Then, the little girl picked up one of the two apples, while holding it together and said brightly, "This apple is for Mom. It's sweeter."